Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to make your account private the right way on Instagram. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to Instagram, open the app. After that, click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that, you click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, go to account privacy, click on it. And if your account is public, like that, if you find it public, you have to click on it again. It's like changing to public for my account now. Let me close the app and open it again. So now my account is public. So to turn it back to private, I have to go to account privacy and change it to private account. That's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, I can review followers. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.